Hello, all my fans. Welcome back to Tech Time with T. It's a beautiful sunny day and nice and breezy and very clear blue sky. Today I will show you how to switch a cabin air filter for 2011 Nissan Xterra. And the part number is RA39. I got it from rockauto.com. And it's the ATP premium ATP cabin air filter. To gain access to the cabin filter, you actually take out the glove box, and there's two stubs you gotta actually squeeze in the plastic toward each other, and then you gotta pull it down. And the glove box here, basically, this is the plastic you want to squeeze in, and then you pull it down. That's what I'm about to show you. Basically, you should clean the glove box first, or everything gonna fall down, like paperwork and stuff like that. So take it out. You gotta wiggle a little bit. Squeeze on the right first, and then squeeze the left, and then you just pull down. It's like that. There's one here, peg-like, on both sides. That's why you have to squeeze to pass the gap. And there's a string here. Just take it off. Just holding the glove box up. That's all it is. You put it back up after. That is how you gain access to the cabin filter in the back on the right side. Alright guys, once you remove the glove box, you want to gain access to that cabin filter. So there's a covering, it's covering that cabin filter. So basically there's potentially there's a screw on the left side of it. Most cars do not have it, potentially yours have it. Also there's on the right side of it, I will show you after this. One on the right side there's a clip. You gotta push it down, and then just pull the what's called the plastic cover out, so you can have access to the cabin filter. Basically, I can see there's no screws on this car, and you just press the clip, and then you just pull towards you. There you go. Make sure it snaps. And then you just, there's two clips on the bottom as well, and you just have to take out the slot. There's two slots right here. There's one here and one there, and that's where the clips go in. So this is what the plastic cover look like. There's two slots on the bottom, which I showed you earlier. And here's for the screw. If you have the screws, it's 8mm screws, and here for the clips, and that's what it look like. So basically, take out this clip, and you just lift up a little bit, and you just go like that, and that's how you get it out. Alright, here is the two cabin filter. First of all, I need you to know that you gotta check the airflow, how the airflow gonna go. It's supposed to be pointing down. That's how the airflow comes from the top to the down. And usually that's what it is. It's there's two cabin filter. What you want to know once, I want to show you this later anyway. How you install it. Basically, you want to take all the old one out, put the one the first one in, and then you move to the right, and then you put the new one in. So basically, put it in, move to the right, and put the other one in. Is how it looks like right there. And make sure airflow is pointing down. Alright, as you can see, there's two filters there. One is straight ahead right there. So this one I'm removing right now. I'm probably blocking you, so I'm gonna try not to, but I think I will be. Let me remove it. Straight ahead. There you go. Get the first one out, just pull it straight. And here's the old one. I can see it's very dirty. There's some leaves and all this junk in there. And I can see this, that's why you need to replace it. It's recommended every year replacing the cabin filter, or you're gonna have this like odor smell, bad odor smell. That's why we changed this thing. But it can go higher than more than a year though to change this cabin filter. As you can see that the second filter there is toward the right. So basically what you want to do, you want to slide to the left and then pull it out straight. That's what I'm doing. I'm probably blocking you too, but straight. There we go. And then pull it out. That's what it'll look like there. As you can see, this is both filter. The pretty dirty, so that's why we need to change it. Alright guys, once we got out the old filter out, we're gonna install the new filter in. As you can see, make sure, very important, make sure the airflow flow properly from top to bottom. And you can see there's a label on the side, make sure it's, the air goes down, that's how it's supposed to be. Alright, and that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna install the new air filter. Okay, installing a new cabin filter right now, and what you do is, it's basically like a reverse when you take it out. You want to slide in the first one in, which is on the left side, and then you want to slide to the right once it's in the box. So it's a small room, you can't really see it, you gotta feel it basically. You want to like basically push it in, then slide to the right, but you need to wiggle a little bit just to fit into the slot, okay? And that's all you need to do. I think I got it. That's in on the left. And now let's go install the other one. Let's go right in. There you go. And go straight. Perfect. Well done. All set. You can see. Just make sure you're aligned with the other one and you're in. Right there. This is the second one. This one just goes straight. The other one just like that to the front and then slide to the right. And this one just put straight right in and it's aligned in the box. So once we put in the cabin filter, we just have to put the plastic cover back on. So basically I want to slide it into the slot in there, and then just put if you have the screws, put the screws in, or just snap this clip back on, and that's all you need to do. And just close up actually make sure to put the string back on to hold up the cabin box, and then you close the box, you're all set to go. Okay, there's a clip here. Want this to slide back in, that's what I'm doing. Okay, you can see, make sure you put the two slot here on the bottom, and then you put the clip on the top right, and if you have the screw, just screw it back in the 8mm screw, and then you're all set to go. And that's it, that's in. So guys, once you put the plastic cover back on the cabin filter box, the next thing we do is we want to put the hanger back on to hold the glove box, and here's the hanger here, just slide into the slot, and that is good. Okay, once the hanger's in, you squeeze it in the thing, in the peg, and then you just close it. Guys, thank you for watching, and that is how you replace a cabin filter on 2011 Nissan Xterra. Watch the video, you like it, 2 thumbs up, please subscribe and share, and you have a beautiful day.